Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve binary tree level order traversal. So we are given a root of binary tree and we have to return the level order traversal. So let's take an example and try to understand the intuition behind the solution. So what does level order traversal means? So we have to print the vector of vector in such a way that the answer will be 3, the other pair will be 9, 20, which is this level. Means we have to print in level wise. So this will be our third level, which is 15, 7. And to achieve this, we will take a queue data structure and store the root node in this. And after that, we will check if there is left node and the right node. If there is, then we first pop out the element that is the level 1, and after that we push the left one. So left one is 9 and the right one is 20, and before pushing we have to pop out the element. So the 3 will be pop out, and in our answer array, so there will be 3, and now the queue become 9 and 20, and then we check and the 3 pops out. Then we check for the 9 and 20. For 9 there is no left or right, so we cannot push anything. For 20 there is 15 and 7, so we push 15 and then 7, and before that we have to push the numbers, so that will be another pair of 9, 20, and at last there will be one pair left, which is 15, 7, and that's our answer level wise traversal. So let's try to code. So in the code we first take a vector of vector to store our answer of type integer. Then we check if root equal to null pointer. Then we return answer. After that we take a queue tree node queue and push the root node in the queue. So that will be queue.push root. After that, while queue is not equal to empty, we do the following operation that we discuss in the board. Before telling the further implementation, I want to tell you one thing, that if you have watched maximum width in a binary tree, then this problem become easy. So go check it out. Link in the description. So we take int size equal to q.size, and then we take a vector int in which we store the level wise values, and we run a loop from 0 to the size of the level, means the number of node in that level, so that we can push all the values in the vector. We take the front node so that we can check the left and right, but before push we have to pop out the node. Then we push. First we have to check if node left is not equal to null. Then we push queue.push node left, and we do similar for the right. So that will be node right is not equal to null pointer. Then we push for the right, that will be queue.push node right, and then we push in the level vector the node value, and at last when we traverse all the nodes in that level, so we push that level values. After getting all the values in the return vector, we simply return answer. Let's run this code, submit it. Its time complexity will be big O of n, and the space complexity will be big O of n. Since we are taking the queue data structure and the vector of vector is not considered, as we are taking this for the answer. So that's it. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.